Welcome to a detailed look at the 2026 Ford F-150 SuperCrew, a powerhouse of capability and refined design. This model features a 145-inch wheelbase, providing a stable and confident footprint for all your driving needs. Under the hood, you will find the 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, which delivers impressive performance through an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. This truck is equipped with a sophisticated four-wheel drive system, making it ready for the diverse terrain of British Columbia. The exterior is finished in a timeless Oxford white, complemented by the XLT Chrome Appearance Package, while the interior offers a spacious environment with medium dark slate cloth seating. This combination of strength and style is ready for your next job or weekend getaway. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Imagine heading out for an early morning adventure toward the Sumas Mountain backroads, where the elevation and rugged paths require a vehicle you can trust. This F-150 is built for exactly that, riding on 20-inch chrome-like physical vapor deposition wheels wrapped in 275 60/20 black sidewall all-terrain tires. To protect the truck while you are loading up your gear, it includes a factory-installed Tough Bed spray-in bedliner. Visibility is enhanced by LED reflector headlamps and specialized zone lighting, ensuring you can see every detail of your surroundings, even after the sun goes down. Inside, the 12-inch center display and 12-inch cluster display provide intuitive access to your vehicle settings and the Sync 4 system with AppLink. For your comfort, the cabin features dual-zone electronic air conditioning and power-heated front seats, providing a warm welcome during those brisk mornings. Safety is paramount, with features like the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, a lane-keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. A common question we receive from our customers is how this truck handles the challenges of towing and hitching a trailer alone. Based on the specialized equipment listed on the window sticker, this F-150 includes both Pro Trailer Hitch Assist and Pro Trailer Backup Assist. These systems use advanced camera technology and sensor data to help you align the hitch perfectly and steer the trailer with a simple knob on the dashboard, removing the stress of manual corrections. Combined with the integrated trailer brake controller and the 360-degree camera, you have a complete suite of tools to manage your load with total confidence. Whether you are merging onto the highway using the adaptive cruise control or navigating a busy parking lot with the front and rear parking sensors, this truck is designed to support you every step of the way. From the angular anodized running boards for easy access to the power-sliding rear window, this F-150 is the ultimate tool for your lifestyle. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.